Greetings to all on the occasion of Constitution Day. India, also called Bharat, is a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic country. It is governed by the Constitution of India, which was adopted on 26th of November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. So, 26 November is celebrated as Constitution Day. The Constitution of India is the longest constitution ever in the world written by any other countries. It was influenced by the constitution of many countries like France, Japan and Germany, etc. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was the architect of the Indian Constitution because he played a very important role in drafting our Constitution. There are 1,17,369 words in the original English version of the Constitution. Our Constitution has undergone more than 100 amendments. It took approximately 3 years to complete our Constitution. Our Constitution was originally written in Hindi and English languages. It wasn't typed or printed. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada. The idea of liberty, fraternity and equality were adopted from the French Constitution. The concept of 5-year plan were borrowed from the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. The law governing our Supreme Court and the concept of procedure established by law was borrowed from the Constitution of Japan. The concept of suspension of fundamental rights during emergency rule were adopted from the Weimar Constitution of Germany. The preamble of Indian Constitution were inspired by the US Constitution's preamble. It declared justice for every Indian, liberty of thought and expression, equality and fraternity. The Constitution of India describes how the building blocks of Indian political structure should be and dictates duties of the government. It also guides every Indian about their work in the society. It was indeed a way of life which recognized liberty, equality and fraternity as the principles of life which can't be divorced from each other. Well, let me now tell you some of the important points of our Constitution. Sovereign. It means the independent authority of a state. Socialist. The term socialist refers to the democratic socialism. Republic. In the republican form of government, the head of the state is elected by the people. Secular. It means that the relationship between the government and the religious group should be determined by the constitution and law. Justice. It stands for law and a system of equal opportunities for all in the society. Liberty. The idea of liberty refers to equality in all the activities of Indian nations. Fraternity. The word fraternity used to refer the feeling of brotherhood and a sense of belonging with the country among its people. कहते हैं हर रंग खुद में समेटे, हर रंग खुद में समेटे जो बेखौफ लड़ा है, जाति और धर्म के दायरे से जो आगे बढ़ा है, नैतिक, निष्पक्ष, तर्कसंगत संविधान ही है वो जो अपनी चिता पर भी आज सहज खड़ा है। नाउ आई स्टॉप माई स्पीच and wish you all a happy Constitution Day. Thank you.